Hello children, welcome to e-learning class. This is Namita ma'am and I am going to explain you the second chapter of your English grammar book, Nouns Number. Let us discuss nouns number in this video. There are two kinds of number. First, singular numbers and second is plural numbers. So let's discuss singular number. The noun that denotes one person, animal or thing is said to be in singular number. For example, army, leaf, horse, tooth, etc. The noun that denotes more than one person, animal or thing is said to be in the plural number. For example, armies, leaves, horses, teeth. Some more examples are given here, singular and plural nouns. One banana, 10 bananas. One ball, 3 balls. The plural of nouns are formed by the following ways. When we change a singular noun to a plural noun, we generally add s or es. Like apple, you can see apples. Tree, trees. Some more example, book, books, door, doors, class, classes. Here also horse, horses, fox, foxes. Nouns ending in a hissing sound like s, double s, ch, sh and x. Add es to the singular form. Most nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing the f or fe into ves. Examples: half, half, half. When you will make it plural, halves, we'll write halves. Life, life, plural, lives, lives. One more example is given here. Grandpapa sharpened the knives in the kitchen. Knives is the plural of knife. One more example you can see here. See, one leaf is there. Leaf is singular, spelling leaf, and plural of leaf is leaves, leaves. Most noun ending in o form their plural by adding es to the singular. Examples: potato, plural potatoes. Singular tomato, plural tomatoes. Singular mango, plural mangoes. You can see in the picture also one mango is there and here many mangoes. If a noun ends with a y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing the y into ies. Examples: city, cities. Fairy, fairies. Baby, babies. However, if the noun ends with a vowel plus y, its plural is formed by adding yes to it. Examples: joy, joys. Boy, boys. Some nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular form. Examples: singular goose, plural geese. Singular man, plural men. Singular tooth, plural teeth. However, ox will become oxen, child, children. Here example you can see boy, singular, boys, plural. Mrs. Jones has 2 children. Children plural and singular of children is child. A flock of geese flew overhead. Here geese plural. Man singular and men plural. If a noun consists of several words, means compound nouns, the s is added to the main word. Examples: singular son-in-law, plural sons-in-law. Singular maid servant, plural maid servants. Singular mother-in-law, plural mothers-in-law. Nouns always used in the plural form. Which noun we use in plural form? That is mentioned here, like trousers, spectacles, shoes, scissors, and jeans. Nouns which are same in the singular form and the plural form: sheep, deer, fish, and aircraft. Examples I can give you. I saw 2 aircraft in the sky. The sheep is grazing in the meadow. Here sheep singular. The tiger ate several sheep. Here sheep plural. Some nouns appear to be singular but are always used as plural, like people and cattle. Examples: the cattle are in the shed. The people were thrilled to see their favorite cricketer. Some nouns are always used as singular: scenery, furniture, and advice. Examples: the furniture is polished. The scenery is beautiful. These nouns appear plural but are used as singular, like politics, mathematics, news, and measles. Examples: the news is shocking. Mathematics is interesting. Abstract nouns like love, anger, beauty are not countable and have no plural form. Some points you will remember. We generally add s or es as suffix to the noun. Examples: windows, fishes. Nouns ending in a hissing sound s, ss, ch, sh, and x add es to the singular form. Examples: buses, hisses, boxes, and bunches. Most nouns ending in f or fe form their plurals by changing the f or fe into ves, like halves, selves. Some nouns ending in f form their plural in the normal way: hoops, roofs. Most nouns ending in o form their plural by adding es to the singular. Example: tomatoes. If a noun ends with a y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing the y into ies, like skies, flies. However, if it is ending with a vowel plus y, its plural is formed by adding s to it: joys. Some nouns form their plural by changing the vowels inside or vowels of the singular form, like foot, feet, tooth, teeth. Expectations are child, children, ox, oxen. Swords, scissors, spectacles are used in the plural form. Mathematics, politics, news, and inning appear to be plural but they are singular. Cattle and people appear to be singular but they are plural. Abstract nouns are not countable and have no plural form. Material nouns are not countable, they are used only in the singular form. That's all for this video lecture. Once again, go through the chapter. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you so much.